Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Yeah, of course, namhlanje take continue of course lo le hlavusikiza lo nga ta hi king link of course na DJ Gift then amakumo hi ta hi hetela timhaka ta nsuku man great news vele yeah, so previous mi nga ma hleketa laha hi fika kona hi updates hi 9 ta February mi nga mi xolweni a bongo hlavusikiza of course DJ Gift mina xi xikombiso xi ku a nga ngoti ya nchumu ku a hi a kombisa ku is a god like greatest of all time xi kombisa ku a ngoti ya nchumu ni ova mbuti ya normal nje mbe
لا لا برضه ما
abangibini kona lawo
ايوه ظبط
however hi ti 4 ta March a yi suke kusuka ta vhete update na swo tala vhele so hi fike hi vona hlavusikiza of course a fika tsala ku ni xavisa keyboard ya Medley 39 rand ntsena. So already like before ya ku nyika ti-images hint a swa hi swi vona ku swi ya kwini because 39 rand leyi loko mo hleketa kahle of course a ku ri album ya DJ Gift ya 2024 ya Xinevas na yona of course price ya yona of course a ku ri 39 rand I'm sorry EP hi yo tola swa ti-album EP ya DJ Gift a ku ri 39 rand and stuff like that a swa keyboard hi loko xitoni ku loko xavisiweni I can't however this post yi la ku delela swinene a xikarhi because a nga loko xaviseni ka keyboard hlavu ku chingeni because xinepe lexi nga la vhele is DJ Gift yeah a hi vekeleni lexa full vhele as you can see kwalano i xinepe xa DJ Gift xexo lexi nga vuya a xi trenda swinene minkarhi yin'wana swi nga endla ku xi trenda is because milenge a yi thyakini and stuff like that la hi swona leswi a swi endla ku yi trend and stuff like that after loko of course a vhakele hi lo tshinya vantshwa so i DJ Gift ola nga vekela kona so a ku ze ku xavisa keyboard ya nchumu u ku deleleni nhlavu swa price vhele a swi twa but u ku deleleni nhlavu and stuff like that okay and then tlhela mi teka vhele ni tlhela mi tlherisa yena ndzhaku vhele ku tlhela ku vi na post leyi a hi tsarini of course a kha vula DJ Gift a fika tsala ku mfana luya u ri u ta swi yimela Good Friday leyi me a ni tshembi shem leswi swa swin'wana of course a fika a swi tsala ku hi na nhlavusikizi a kombisa ku i ta va na dominance ku hi side ra yena okay so loko ha ha ri kwala loko na e post a nga hi tsala I think it's interesting guys it's very interesting leyi a fika tsala ku loko mo ni nyika 3k likes ni mi byela vito ra track 6 okay of course post ya kona yi fika yi kuma sweswi yi le ka 1.3 likes 1.3k likes so i kha ni yi landzelerisa post leyi just to see what's happening so ku ya hi hlavu a nge tshama hi vona a vulavula hi track 6 mani twisana yes ti-album ta yena ti ve na beef ni u sungula vhele a yi na beef yo va tsala ku omile mi nga ma ehleketa of course that beef and a ku ri track number 2 so ka track number 6 laha hi nga fikangi hi vona ku ri na beef mani twisana leswi ni zamaka ku va ni kha ni vula swona even then of course it tlhe hi suka of course ya ka the second album nakona beef of course yi fike yi va kona mara a ku nga ri track number 6 na kona vona mhaka leyiwa laha ku ri beef ya kona ku ri track number 2 ya a va twalangi so a famba hi tradition ya present mayingana of course ku se a hi vona hi beef ka track number 2 however ka this case a swona ku i vulavula hi track 6 so swi ti komba ku ri na a high possibility yo this track ku nga va a beef hi ku hi tradition vhele a hi swi tiva khale na khale loko munhu a za ku track 6 i beef so ku na high possibility ya sweswo a ni vona a ngo tsakisa hikuva a hi clickbait like this a vulavula hi track 6 under normal circumstances i beef so ende ku sisi ho sungomesa the post beef khale hi toloverini swanda maybe va la ku hahla DJ Gift I don't know maybe ku na possibility ya sweswo ku ya ho sungomesa the post beef a ku ri khale na khale hi swi tiva ku yi va yi ri ka track number 2 mara sweswo i vulavula track 6 so sisi a swona swi vele ku holowe na DJ Gift maybe ku nga kha ku ya before yena la so vhele ho hi ta hi kha hi landzelerisa loko yi ku 3k likes hi ta hi update vito ra track then hi kona ni nga ta swi landzelerisa mo ni vona ku himpela i beef or hi beef na to whoever most likely DJ Gift vhele a yi kuma na mhaka leyi yeah so of course ku tlhela ku va ku ri na this post swa ti komba na loko hi languta ti-post leti fambe line ngopfu ya DJ Gift man hi fika hi vona fika tsala ku mayingana u ri swa yantswa hi tsemelelana hi 4 ta April ku nge nandziki. 4 April ha dropa as you can see. Leswi of course mhlava nga fika kombisa swona, so in overall album ya neta yi kha yi huma hi the 4 ta April and stuff like that. Even then khi ta ka DJ Gift na yimi ni vona ku hi wa respond or kanjhani si ni yimi nyana hi long period ma nga respondanga hi fika hi vona ntsena fika kombisa studio time ma kombisa ku loko swi ku yini leswi for now nga kombisa swona swo ku eta bifa another time a nga sala ku responda sweswi and stuff like that. Leswi of course bifi ya wona sweswi swi fika kona na yena vhele ta hi update siku ra yena hi ta tlhe hi swi update ku hi sequence vhele. Yeah, and then of course hi kha hetela hi nsuku hayi hinkwenu ha swi tiva vhele khale man kusukela show yi sungurile hi swi tiva hi tshame ri ku vhoteni man, hi tshame ri ku vhoteni man mara mi nga mi kha mi swona ku this time around a hi le ku vhoteni ne. This is because for the first time ever, guys, so I got nominated for eviction. For the first time ever, this week, as you can see, I got gone at that list. So if you go to almost 2 hours, I'm going very a reason you go on very, and now this is surely Maranza. Someone some ideas about it. So what I'm maybe I'm sure of course so we have it on head of the house maybe I'm sure maybe looking back Facebook and stuff like that, so man got to line and stuff like that, but then we would salu at least an idea about it. So the shanga faka hlamsela shona if ka kombisa ku vutimaluleke vele benefit yo va loko ava head of the house la nsuku la that is she can't be nominated, right? She can't be nominated for eviction. Yeah, the most important one, very important. I'm nominated for eviction. That's why I'm going to the other one is that she will be staying on the head of the house and enjoying the pampering that comes with it, like the food they eat there, the bed, and others. Yeah, the benefits that and she'll be the leader of the house until Monday. Monday, of course, after the 1st of March, and stuff like that. So you're not reason this time around. So I'm to ask Gazadation if I was when you're my vote. Yeah, congratulate for the first time ever in key vote. Guys, if I'm going to go key vote, if I show you when it's going to like key vote, I am not going to let I'm getting subscribe.
University of the Visa Kakovani kuna papa wangwane papa lawa ya neva komenas kenani keneli iya kakabula baba mtino yimwanenge bo pai mabuku sezi wangwane vashi burufana shoko bapora melanyana vasi belash matini bodi wangwane lavo tauzela nyana ala kakovani vati pina masene. University of the Visa Ibaguli pepe kuyateka kuyahuri. University of the Visa Vachina kuna beide kuna kama maka Siguri mwane ni jikili kona bizi Nitukane wakuma ni